Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can upload a file right in our Google Drive. Yes, very important. It doesn't matter where in the world it is. But once your file is in the Google Drive, you can access it. If you notice right away, say you have home, my drive, computer, you can actually link it to the computer, right? Share with me, recent, star, spam, trash. I notice it's storage space, you can get storage, right? So first you want to come right up here to new. You want to click on new. When you click on new, what you see upload folder. You see Google Doc, Google Sheet, Google Slide, Google Form. Right? Try to show that I can create a new folder, but what I wanted to do is to upload files. So I'm going to click right there. Now when I click right there, it's going to take me directly to my desktop where I have the file I'm located and all of that. Very important. So if you notice, these are my file. I can actually come right here and click on desktop again. So this is what I want. I'm going to click on the file. Now I click on the file. Notice right down here, say cancel. I see open. So I'm going to click on the word open. Now when I click on the word open, if you notice down here, to the right bottom, you notice one file uploaded. Right? If you notice you don't see it, what you want to do, come right over here, start a reset. You want to click right here and reset. Here, you notice? It show you right here. So this is definitely the file that we actually just upload. So it doesn't matter where in the world you go, definitely you can retrieve it. So this is where you can actually share your file right up there in Google Drive. And if you wanted to log out of your Google Drive, you can come right here, see the picture to the right. Just click on it, right, and they're gonna scroll up, scroll up, and you go, if you notice, let me click right as I close it. Work again, click on it. Notice this is reverse sign out. You're gonna click on reverse sign out, and there you go. So that exactly oh how you actually create a file in Google Drive, right? Very important. So save all the file into your Google Drive. If in case you're not around your computer, you can actually have access to it just the same. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.